guys, I'm Midnight Raven. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I love doing unboxings and I know you love watching them as well. And today we're going to unbox Latest in Beauty. I did Latest in Beauty. It's been about 6 months. It has been a long time since I've done this box. I took a hiatus because I didn't really find anything I liked. But what it is you can get 3, 6 or 9 items each month. You could do it as a one-off, but it's more expensive, or you can get it as a subscription. I chose the 9 item one, which is what I generally get when I get this box. They're also doing an advent calendar this year as well on their website. It's currently up for pre-order and the actual calendar is £60 and contains over £200 worth of value. So you can go on there now, you can pre-order it as well, and you'll get £6 off if you pre-order it. There is a code if you go to their website at the top of the page, and it says that you can get £6 off. I don't get nothing for that, I'm just telling you that they have a calendar. So the code's actually at the top of the website. It's called Latest in Beauty. And the calendar looks gorgeous. So many brilliant items in there, like aromatherapy associates, which I absolutely love, and loads of good products. So getting back to this box, I will put details of the advent calendar down below if you then want to go see it, and I will try and find that code on the page and put it down below if you then want to pre-order their advent calendar. I love beauty advent calendars. I do hope to get some nearer Christmas or maybe October, November time and start opening them for. I know a lot of people are already doing them. I just don't have the budget right now. So the box, like I said, contains 3, 6 or 9. As you can see, it's really nicely boxed. I have opened it. I've had it for a couple of days, to be fair. There's their card with all their social media. Like I said, I will write down anything you need to know down below. They always put a little card in. This says La Vie est belle. And I belle means pretty. So I'm thinking this means I'm pretty. As you can see, following a pinky theme. It's tissue papered, and they do have loads of these noodly stuff. I've had to take some of them out because they just cause a mess. And then you get the items. So I got to choose the items. What happens is the date you then start doing your subscription, if you don't then go on and pick the items before your box is due for release, they will take a look at your profile that you fill in with all your likes and dislikes and preferences, and they will try and customize a box to that. So if you forget, or you go away on holiday, or you just become mind boggled and it just slips your mind, they will still send you a box, but it will be with items that they've picked rather than me, who have specifically picked what I wanted because I remembered. So the first item I got is this Nourish London Probiotic Multivitamin Repair Mask. Now, I personally absolutely love face masks. This is just a very tiny sample. It's the mask of rose and lavender, and I love rose and I love lavender, and it's basically just a sample size. Just apply a generous amount to clean skin and massage. That's basically it, but it's really good. I love Nourish London for their products. The next item I got was Paulas Choice Skin Perfecting pH Liquid for all skin types. Again, I have a thing for my skin. This is an exfoliant. My skin is so dry and just so damaged. It just needs a bit of love. So basically, it tries to radiate and give you an even skin tone, because I find that I get patches of dryness like around my eyes because I have my glasses, and on my nose. As you can see, it's marked for the rest of my life, but my glasses hide it. So nice size bottle as well. Do love their sizes. Everything is of I would say of a standard size. Next, we have something that I absolutely adore. I actually have a bigger version of this. This is the Venetian Violet Crabtree and Evelyn hand therapy lotion. Now, I've had bigger ones of these before. I've had proper big ones, and they were an orange coloured but this time it's violet, sorry. And this cream is to die for. I have eczema, so I spend all the time itching my hands, and they come out in sores, and they're all, what you can hear, dry. I keep this in my handbag. It's a very little small item, and then I can use it. Ooh, more goodies. Next item is Sanctuary Spa. Oh, I absolutely love this brand. White Lily and Damascus Rose again. Absolutely love Rose. Rose and lavender are probably the two favourite fragrances for me. This is a wet skin moisture miracle. Apparently it's going to perform a miracle. Basically, it's super fast and hard working body lotion. And it's going to make my skin silky smooth, apparently, and give it a bit of love and attention that it needs. But yeah, Damascus Rose. Oh, absolutely love Damascus. It's possibly one of the best fragrances that I love. Then I got this Stargazer's Treat Lips Gloss. Now, I didn't really want this item. It was more like I couldn't find anything else I wanted. But gloss is really good for your lips. It's not as hard to get on and off. And it smells really gorgeous. It's in a, I believe it's a floral scent in plum. Oh, plum and blueberry, sorry. That was the plum and blueberry one. I think there was one that had more of a floral. But that's a gorgeous pinky colour. It's basically like this pink. And it smells to die for. Ooh, more items. We love more items. Right, next. Ooh, we have Say Yes to Grapefruit for dull and uneven skin. This is a vitamin C glow boosting mud mask. So if you haven't seen my videos before, I generally choose mud masks. I've had yes to grapefruit, yes to cucumber, yes to tomato, yes to charcoal, the whole yes to range. This is to brighten your day and your face with grapefruit, vitamin E, pink kaolin clay to enhance your beauty. So it's a gorgeous thing, and I love the shape and everything, so that should be really cute. A couple of more items. Now we have the Bia skincare. This is the essential range. This is a hydrating treatment eye mask. Now I get really baggy under here, and it's really dry because obviously I have my glasses on my face. The skin around my eyes gets really dry. So I've got these. So what these basically are is these patches are gelled with a cleansing face lotion cream gel kind of thing. As you can see, it's like in liquid. And basically you put them under your eyes for 15 to 20 minutes. And they just refresh your skin, take out the impurities, and just try and make it so that my skin isn't so dry. I do get a lot of these. If I see these in like shops, I get so many of these. I've got like tons of them. I do love to get eye masks. Then we got some more strips. These are Tame Your Wildest Pores. Limited edition 6 deep cleansing pore strips. Contain 6 nose strips. So these are for my nose. So basically they'll go across the bridge. So where my sores are there for my glasses. Which I can't get rid of because I don't want to wear my glasses higher up. I've got so used to it. But these are limited edition ones, and they are instantly unclogs pores, dirt, oil, and blackheads. And apparently they are special because inside the packet, apparently they are striped, like zebra stripes. No idea why, that's just how they are. There's 6 in there, and I do use nose strips as well fairly often of my own accord. We then got one of the things I was dying to get. This is the Garnier Skin Active new Moisture Bomb Tissue Mask. Look at that bad boy. This is intensely rehydrates your skin, reduces the look of fine lines in 15 minutes. One mask plus 1 week of hydration serum. dermatologically tested, suitable for all skins. So it is a tissue mask. You wear it for 15 minutes, and apparently it hydrates, smooths, makes your skin look plumper, makes it look more radiant, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous mask. And the fact that it's in grapefruit as well is just to die for, because I love the smell of grapefruit. It works really well. Then in there we just have a little card from Bia to tell me more about the eye patches, the eye masks, and that if I then want to go on there, I then have a code. And then you always get a somewhat of a sample. And in this one, we have a bag of tea. So you always get like you usually get an extra little bag of popcorn or a chocolate bar or something. This time we've got a bag of Chameleon infusion clipper tea. So we got that. So as I said, the items you get to pick. Let me just pick these up. You get 9 items, and it was £18. So it may sound a lot, but some of the items, like Crabtree, and the Garnier stuff and that, you know, it's nice to have it delivered to your door. And the fact you get just like Christmas in a box. So you get all of them. You can pick just 3 or 6, but I found that once I'd got the paws and the masks, that it just made it more cost effective just to finish the whole box off. So if you want to check out Latest in Beauty yourself, I will link all the information down below. And I have done Latest in Beauty before, and I do have a list of all my unboxings that I've ever done in a playlist, and I will pop that up here somewhere at the end. So if you want to like subscribe to me as well, you will see more of these boxes. I hope to bring you more and more, and I hope to bring you advent calendars for beauty as Christmas comes. But if you want to like subscribe to me, give me a big thumbs up. We're over 1,000 subscribers, like again, as I say in every video. Thank you to everyone. Please continue to like, share and watch, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Take care and thanks for watching.